Java powers Netflix, Python powers ChatGPT. One is the old school king of enterprise, the other is the superstar behind data science, AI, and the world's best memes. It's 2025, Java versus Python. Java launched in 1995 with a promise that changed everything. Write once, run anywhere. Overnight, it became the backbone of enterprise software. Goldman Sachs, Airbnb, Uber, Amazon, and Deutsche Bank are all running on Java. Reliable, scalable, and built for big businesses. Python, on the other hand, was created in 1995 by Guido van Rossum. Its motto, simple is better than complex. While Java went corporate, Python became the darling of scientists, hackers, and anyone who wanted just to get this stuff done. So yes, it's the only language that you can run both your web server and scam a skit on it. Learning curve. Java is like learning to drive in a sturdy, reliable Toyota. A strict syntax, lots of rules, but you will avoid most potholes. You write a lot of code, but your program rarely crashes for silly reasons. You will need to learn about types and where to put all those boring semicolons, but you will walk away with strong programming fundamentals. Python is the friendly bicycle of programmings. No semicolon, no curly braces, no drama. It reads like English. You want to print hello world, just type print hello world. That's it. No class, no public static void. For absolute beginners or anyone who hates boilerplate code, Python is a joy. Let's look into the jobs. Java is still the king in enterprise. Banks, insurance, governments, Android apps, and huge legacy system all run on Java. So it has millions of jobs and lots of stability. Average US salary? Around 110K. If you want to work for companies like Amazon, Google, or you want to go in fintech, Java is a safe, high paying bet. But Python has exploded. It's the first language for AI, machine learning, data science, and automation. NASA uses it, Netflix uses it, Instagram was built on it. Python jobs are everywhere. Research labs, web startup, big tech, and even the script that automate your coffee machine. Average US salary around 102K and climbing. If you dream of AI automation or data science, Python is your golden ticket. When it comes to where each language really shines, Java stands out in the world of big enterprise software. If you've ever used an Android app or made a bank transfer, there's a good chance that Java was working behind the scenes. It's built to be used in projects that are expected to last for decades. Python, on the other hand, rules the world of AI and machine learning. If you've ever heard of TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Pandas, those are all Python powered. It's also the favorite tool for automation and scripting, letting you turn hours of repetitive work into a few lines of code. Plus, Python is perfect for rapid prototyping, building web apps quickly, or getting scientific research projects off the ground in record time. So, while the Java is the backbone of the enterprise world, Python is the spark that's driving the next wave of tech innovation. Now, let's talk about the downsides, because no language is perfect. With Java, you'll notice pretty quick that the code can get pretty verbose. You will spend a lot of time writing out long lines, even for simple things. That makes it a bit slower if you're just trying to prototype something quickly or throw together a quick script. And when it comes to data science or quick and dirty automation, Java just isn't as flexible as you might want. Python, on the other hand, is much easier to write, but comes with its own set of trade offs. For one, it's not as fast as Java, especially if you're building something where every millisecond counts, like real time banking or trading software. Python also isn't the best fit for mobile apps or massive, super complex systems. And because it uses dynamic typing, it's easy to accidentally introduce bugs that you might not catch until you actually run your code. So, while Python makes things easier and faster to write, you have to stay on your toes to avoid those hidden surprises. But let's think about their future. Java isn't going anywhere. Banks don't rewrite their code every 5 years. Cloud platforms and big businesses still love Java's reliability. But Python, it's eating the world. AI, automation, and software research are only getting bigger and bigger. Want to join the AI revolution or automate your life? Python is your ticket. Want to build a stable enterprise software or Android apps? Java is your back. Thank you a lot for watching, guys.